Hi guys, welcome back to take 2 of this. So I tried to film this just a minute ago and Velvet, my bunny, decided she was going to chew on something and totally just destroyed the audio on the video, so I didn't want to have to do another walkthrough. But I got this month's bargain bead box in, and I'm not sure if this is August or September's, but it's called Autumn Leaves, and I've already gone through this once, but we'll go through it again. And take a look at what came in this month's box. It's absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to get started making some autumn jewelry with it. So I figure we'll just do an unboxing and I'll show you what I got. So the first one we have is 12mm apple green copper drizzled glass beads, 6-inch string. So that's what this is right here. And as you can see, it's got the apple green on one side, the copper on the other, and kind of a silvery color, a little bit here and there. But this is absolutely a gorgeous, gorgeous bead. So that's the first string. Next we have green-red duo style glass beads, 6-inch string, 10mm. These, they're just beautiful. This is definitely fall to me. I think of autumn leaves falling, the dark greens, the deep reds. I don't know if the light is doing that justice, but it's absolutely beautiful. Kind of a muted tone. Next we have carnelian citrine duo glass style beads, 10mm. These are yellow and red, definitely the yellowish fall yellow, not summery bright yellow. I really, really like these beads. I can't wait to use them. And even just looking at those three together, that makes a definite, I don't know, I think of apples or something for that. Next we have raspberry jade 8mm style, glass style beads. So this is the raspberry, very dark red, very deep red. You get plenty of those. Can't wait to use those. Again, putting that together just like that would be something gorgeous for fall. We have olive crackle glass beads, 8mm. And that would be these. Very muted green, goes well with those, but can also go well with the reds. We have brown gemstone style glass beads, and that's these. I don't know if I call them brown, is more of a caramel color. To me, this looks like caramel. It reminds me of like caramel apples. I could see those two together being like a caramel apple bracelet, along with the yellow. So like if we were to do something with that, I can see that being like a caramel apple feel. Just those two together, caramel apple, or just caramel. Next we have pale yellow crackle frosted glass beads. That would be these. And I know I'm not going in order. We have green and gold 8mm glass beads. These are very bright green, very bright yellow. Kind of super bright compared to everything else, but again, if I were to put those together or those together, that would make these beads stand out. I could pair these with that and make them stand out. I could pair that with that. It would give me a soft color. I mean, there's so many things you can do with this one. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Next, we have 6mm golden brown. So again, I don't know how they're calling this golden brown, because I see this and I see this. This is caramel color to me. This is more orange. To me, it's not brown, it's orange. But I think of this as like fall pumpkin. I can see these two together as a fall. These three together as a fall theme. Really liking that. Next, we have two leaf gold metal pendants. They're 46 by 26mm. And I've got to find the other one. So these are the two. And I've got a bunny kissing me now because she wants cookies, because she heard plastic rattling. Baby. Okay. All right, she's got her cookie. Next, we have leaf patina metal pendants, and these are 50 by 26mm. And so I don't know, like, the patina doesn't really show up super well when you look at them straight on, but when you turn them, I don't know if I can get them in the light a little bit. I don't know if can you see that? Let me see if I can get that up to the camera more. See, it's got the blue patina on it, so it looks like it's antique. I really like those. I can see those being, having beads, small beads dangling from it. We have 10mm brass spacer beads, brass gold. So those are fall, good looking beads. Not real sure about the brass, but because I don't really think it goes well with this. The yellow's just slightly off on the metals, and I like to have my metals match. It might go well with these because these are patinaed. We have 6mm gold metal bead caps, and that would be these. So they're like little star ones. Then we have 6mm gold metal gold bead caps, which are these. They're flower shaped bead caps. Then we have 6mm flower gold metal spacer beads. Those are very cute. I can see those being little flowers in between some of these, or just I can see me doing some dangles with those. And then of course we have our usual assortment of, we've got lobster claws and some, I don't know if you can see that in there, that is elastic for making stretch bracelets. I rarely ever use this. I'm not a big fan of making stretch bracelets. We have jump rings. We have ear wires. We have our usual assortment of crimp beads and some head pins this time, no eye pins. Our beadalon gold in gold, and some memory wire. So that is the Autumn Leaves curated bead box for this month. And I can't wait to get started making some of this. So I think I am going to sign off for now. And then I'm going to go about doing some design work. And I'll be back. So let me know what you think about this month's curated bead box. And thanks for watching.